Hello aspirants, I hope the preparations are going in a heated format as few days are there to approach your exams. So all the very best for your exams, be chill and confident. Being cool is very important in these final days of exams. So all the best once again from our team. So coming to the point, what to say, once a person asked the Google CEO, Sundar Pichai, that what is the success for this Google? And he replied that greater things, success depends on not an individual's performance. It is the team. When the team performance great, then the success will be in a huge amount. So Get2Know is also planning for a greater goals. We are planning to expand our platform, which means we need the support of you, the aspirants, to do this shifting of goals. So we need educators for UPSC. So what is the subject? As per the prelims, we need educators for geography, economics and environment. And as per the mains, whatever subject you're comfortable, that's okay. And if you have any strategies or what to say, if you make good at any concept in particular subjects, or if you are well versed with any current affairs issue, then you can approach us. We can make a video of that. Okay. So our final aim is just to contribute. You just contribute whatever you can. So that's our aim. So what is the benefit you will be getting out of it? The first thing is the service. As said by Muhammad Ali, service is the only thing you are paying as a rent for your being in the earth. Okay. So the first motive is being the service, which is an excellent part. Second is your teaching. So the aspirants who are watching will be get benefited. The second important thing is you itself will be getting benefited when you are teaching. It's just a revision for yourself. Okay. So that are the benefits. And I told about subjects. If you have good knowledge about that, you can approach us. So what the qualification for this, like your MPhil or IIT, or whether I should have passed prelims? No, that's not our concern. If you are having the confidence that you are having knowledge and stuff and you can able to convert that into videos, then you can approach us. If you are ready with that, you can call to this number and you can follow us. Meet you in Get2Know. Thank you.